Hello.
Welcome back to Triple F. We have a different but exciting video for you. If you're a DC fan and female, probably, this video is going to appeal to you. It definitely appeals to me, although I'm not a female, but I think it's cool. So we're going to actually be doing, as you saw in the title, we're going to be unboxing DC pumps. So, as you can see there, you have Wonder Woman's pump, or high heel shoe, Harley Quinn, Supergirl, and Catwoman, I believe that is. Yep, on that front. So there's 12 of these all together in the series, okay? There's 9 normal versions, and then there's 3, we can call them chases, I guess, 3 exclusives. So, if you look at the box here, the 3 exclusives, based on the design, because the 3 exclusives are the white ones, so based on the design, it looks like we have a Harley Quinn exclusive, a Poison Ivy exclusive, and a Wonder Woman exclusive, just based on the shape of the shoe, because it matches the original shoe. So, there's 12 total to collect. I have 12 total to unbox. Now, I will say these come from a company, CRYPTOZOIC, or I can't pronounce the name of the company, but there it is. CRYPTOZOIC, something like that. And so these are not Funko, which is perfectly fine because I collect all sorts of collectibles, not just Funko stuff, but mainly Funko. But I thought these were super cool because, number one, I'm a DC fan, first and foremost. Love Marvel, but DC's my favorite. Not saying DC puts out better movies lately than Marvel, okay? I realize DC's got some work to do. But, still been a DC fan my whole life. Marvel fan too, but especially the female villains, or good girls, bad girls. I love all of them. I absolutely love all of them. My favorite is probably, from the comic books, my favorite's probably Poison Ivy. Second favorite would be Harley Quinn. But Poison Ivy hasn't been portrayed that well, in my opinion, on the big screen yet. So, Harley Quinn, I thought, obviously I'm wearing my Queen of Diamonds there, Harley Quinn shirt. So, hopefully we get one of the exclusives in here. But I was going to say Harley Quinn, Margot Robbie, I think did a great job on Suicide Squad. So, and I don't know if I mentioned it before, but if they cast Poison Ivy, I think a lot of great actresses could play that role. I think for me, my opinion only, I think Lady Gaga would make the best Poison Ivy on the big screen. She did great on American Horror Story. She blew expectations. I believe she even won a... What did she win? What award was it? Was it a Golden Globe or something for her performance there on American Horror Story? So, I mean, she's really good at acting. Let's get into the unboxing, though, okay? We're already 3 minutes deep into this video, so let's get into the unboxing. So, I'm going to have my daughter and myself both open these up as we go, and we'll show them to you.
Hey, mine's got a hole on the Lucky.
I've never opened one of these before. Now, I know what they look like. There's a picture on, as a thumbnail for this video, so you can see what they look like. At the end of the video, I'm going to throw up that same picture as well, and just keep it up there for, a good 10 or 15 seconds when the video ends. So it comes in this little gold box. Once you take this off, it's a little gold box that opens up, and then you can see the shoe inside. So you can see I got Black Canary. So I just want to I've never opened any of these ever. These have been out for about... let me see. Okay, cool. So these have been out. That's pretty cool. These have been out for maybe 5-6 months, maybe longer. Okay? But I've never... I just found out about them literally this week.
Dun, 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 dun. I got Harley Quinn.
So here's Black Canary's shoe.
There's a hole on top.
Yep. And
Harley Quinn shoe.
That flew out of the package. These are super easy to open.
Oh my
I was expecting, like, mystery minis. I was expecting the hard ones to go, but that one's pretty
cool
easy. Yeah. So hold it still to the camera while I get this one.
I'm shaking.
Yeah. You don't know what the word still means. I know you do, sweetie. I'm just playing with you. I hold it by the heel because
I'll hold it by the heel.
it's the best way, and you can see the black canary right there. So that's her. That's her version there, Black Canary. And it sits perfectly on the desk too. And that's the Harley Quinn. I love the entire, and it's got the shimmer, the glitter. This one's been bedazzled.
I love the boxes.
The boxes are really cool.
Yeah.
So I'm going to definitely keep every single one of these little boxes.
Yes.
All right. So I got 2 more to open up. Just leave those there, that's fine.
Okay.
So we got 10 more to go.
Complicated.
Exactly. To find a spot, it's a little complicated.
I did not find a spot at all.
But these are, as you can see by the first 2, these are really, really cool. There's something different. And like I said, I mean, they're DC badass chicks, so why not? So I got a repeat, so I'm going to keep this one in the plastic. Okay? But I got the Black Canary repeat. So duplicate of that one. So already, straight off the bat, we have we answered the question of, are you going to get all 12 in these 12? The answer is no. Because I can't. Because we already have a repeat. Ooh. So.
I want to open it first.
Okay. I'm just going to get another one, not open it, but just get it ready. I love these unboxing videos with my daughter. I think she's a great assistant. And it'd be a little weird if I was doing this one by myself. So I have to have, a female presence while opening up pumps. Right?
Okay, so this one's really cool. I got Superwoman.
Superwoman? Or Supergirl? So that's Supergirl. Oh, wow. So, okay. So I'm not, Okay, so she's holding the bottom part of the heel. But that's the coolest part of the pump, is that it's not your standard heel. Just a stick heel. It's got that curvature in it.
It's a cape.
Oh my god. Dude. High five on that one. I mean, I couldn't have told you that. That's a cape. She's right. It's Supergirl's cape. Oh my god. How creative is that?
That's awesome.
I would not even have thought about that. If you guys thought about it when looking at it, good for you, but I wouldn't have figured that out.
That's why you need me here.
That's why I need my assistant here. So, okay. So, definitely a huge fan of this particular character. So, let me go back. Remember when I said my favorite was Poison Ivy? She's still my favorite. Harley Quinn's still my second favorite. But could be pushing up. She's in the top 3. Could be pushing up into the top 2. Maybe pushing Harley Quinn down 1. Maybe. Just because I love Poison Ivy for so long. It's just hard to change it just because of one movie. Wonder Woman. That is her pump.
That is awesome. And also Dad keeps...
Or her her high heel shoe. Or as this company calls them, pumps. There we go, you see. And I'm trying to get that Wonder Woman, because that Wonder Woman symbol's right here. And I'm trying to get it where you can see it.
Ow.
Okay, well, hopefully you can see it, but it's there. So.
Can you help me open the plastic? Because it's kind of hard for me.
Mm-hmm. So.
Let me save you.
This is the first time we're opening these, so we're taking a little bit longer. We're taking a little bit... Hold on, Sophie. It's because it ripped off the top of the box, and I don't want her to see which one it is, because I don't want to see either. I want it to be a surprise. So when I took off the plastic, it's ripping off the top of the box. So I want to give it to her boxed, so she doesn't see boxed. The top part was off. I didn't want her to see which one it is. I didn't see which one it is either. Is it a repeat? Okay.
But it's a good repeat.
Okay. So we got another Wonder Woman, which is okay. Keep her in the box. So we got 2 repeats so far. We got a total of 4 pumps, and we got 6 more boxes to open. These are pretty cool. And definitely please leave a comment below and let me know which one is your favorite one out of all of them. I'm hoping to get one exclusive. I've seen the Poison Ivy exclusive online, and by the way, that one's going for about anywhere between $60 to $80. No joke. Like on eBay. It's that popular. I don't know. It doesn't say like 1 in 12 or 1 in, it doesn't say anything like that here, so I'm not sure how rare it is to get, but I would love to have the original Poison Ivy or at least the Poison Ivy exclusive. So I got Hawk Girl in this one. I will open it up.
Box.
Uh-oh. You got a new one too. Cool. Don't show yours yet, okay?
I know.
Let me show mine.
I know, I'm just like...
So this one also has some bling bling to it, some glitter, some bedazzleness to it. That's Hawk Girl's pump. So it has here and here, you know, it's got the, so you know it's Hawk Girl's. Kind of reminds me of like when Cinderella, you know, the glass slipper. Except these are way nicer than a glass slipper.
Yeah.
But I love the colors. I love the glitter. Obviously they're, you know, they're definitely, these are made very nicely, by the way. They really put a lot of thought into these. Ooh! So, there was a box I was shaking. I was like, I wonder if it's broken. So it's not broken, but Hawk Girl actually has wings to it. So as my daughter shows you that one, I'm going to try to connect the wings to this one. So go ahead and show yours.
Okay, well, anyways, I got Batgirl, and it also has the cape. I'm holding it in between so I don't miss the cape.
Oh, cool. So the cape is on that one too.
Yep.
Awesome. I think that one's cool. Now, does that one have any glitter on it?
No. It's just gold.
It's just gold.
Gold and blue.
Gold and blue.
Yes.
So I don't want to mess with this too long, because I know the wings. Well, hold on one second, okay? I know the wings go on there like this. Well, that doesn't do me any good because you can't see what I'm doing. The wings go on there like that. So that's what the finished final touches look like. I'm not going to mess with it too much right now. I hope it's not permanently broken, but I will try to put it together. It looks like it snaps on and off, so I just don't want to mess with it while doing the video because I want to show you the last. We only have 4 left. Okay, so hopefully we get at least one exclusive, and we already have Batgirl. So we just, I really want Poison Ivy so bad, and Catwoman. I want Catwoman so bad too.
And then we have 2 more spaces for exclusives.
So I got a repeat. It's okay. It's a Harley Quinn.
Yeah, that's cool.
So Harley Quinn repeat. I'm okay with that.
I want to see which one I like. I want to get Mira.
Now, just to throw it out there, I got these. Open it. Let me see. So I got these at So she got a Harley Quinn repeat as well.
Too many Harley Quinns.
So we got 2 more left. Where to buy these at? So Hot Topic was carrying them. They've since sold out in my area. So I ended up picking up these. I picked up a couple at Hot Topic that was left, and then they had a brand new box, which I didn't buy the whole box because it was more expensive. But they have a brand new box at not GameStop, but the other store. ThinkGeek. They had a brand new box at ThinkGeek in my area. So I got a new one. Which one did you get? Okay. So my daughter ended up getting Supergirl, a repeat, with the cape. That's pretty cool. And then I got one of them that I've been wanting. No exclusives in this set yet, but I did end up getting Batgirl, which I think is awesome. Would you like to show that? Or wait, Batgirl? It's Catgirl. Isn't it Catwoman?
It's
Catwoman. What am I talking about? It's Catwoman. Sorry.
And this part is a tail.
Yeah. That's a nice way to hold it too. As long as you just hold it still. There you go. So that's cool how the heel part is a tail, like a cat.
That's a tail.
Pretty groovy.
Looks like a backwards G.
So that's really cool. And then it's got the little meow. That's a little tiny detail there.
Little tiny jewelry.
That right there is a meow. It's a little cat.
And that right there is a little bit of jewelry.
So, and then of course, you know, it just looks awesome.
Yes.
So, wow. So we ended up getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 out of the 12. And so, if I find more, I'll definitely buy more and do more unboxing of these because I do want to collect the entire set. Again, they've been out for a while. You can find them online. They do have them at hottopic.com. And if you have Hot Cash right now, you can actually use Hot Cash on these on the internet. And you'll get pretty much 50% off. So I might do that. I might end up buying some with my Hot Cash. So that wraps up the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the DC pumps. I think we got some really cool ones. No exclusives, but as always, exclusives are hard to find. But I'm definitely happy. This is a great way to start off a little pump collection. And don't know where I'm going to put them because I'm out of space. Literally, I'm out of space in this entire office. So, but I'll find somewhere to put them. And thanks for watching. As always, be kind to one another. Woof. Be kind to one another, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Got tons of stuff coming out, so stay tuned for more. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.